What does a technology architect actually do? I've been asked this question regularly in different forms, but always with the same underlying uncertainty. By project managers, by junior professionals who wanted to grow into the role, and most strikingly, by practitioners who had held the title for years and couldn't give a clear answer. This confusion reflects the real state of a profession that hasn't managed to define itself clearly, for those who practice it, for the organizations that employ them, and for the teams that work with them. Most architecture books choose one register or the other. Technical books dive into protocols and patterns but skim over governance. Framework books, TOGAF, SABSA, COBIT, cover governance but stay at a level of abstraction that leaves the practitioner alone when it's time to translate all of that into concrete decisions on a real network, in a real data center, with real teams who have competing priorities. This book attempts to do both, and its central thesis deserves to be stated clearly from the start. Technical depth is a prerequisite for architectural governance, not a contradiction with it. A technology architect who doesn't understand SIP protocols cannot evaluate a migration proposal to Teams direct routing. An architect who doesn't understand asymmetric cryptography cannot govern their organization's PKI. An architect who doesn't understand network topologies cannot approve an SD-WAN architecture. Governance without technical depth is not governance, it's superficial validation, and the teams know it. Who is this book for? It's for the technology architect, the one TOGAF positions in Domain D of enterprise architecture, who governs standards, platforms, infrastructure decisions, and the alignment between technology strategy and organizational needs. It's also for specialized architects, cloud network security solution, who need to understand how their work fits into a broader governance framework, for IT managers who need to understand what the architect role delivers and when to involve them. For project managers who need to know how and when to engage the architect in a project, and for senior IT practitioners, engineers, administrators, team leads who are moving toward architecture and want to understand what the role really implies. This book is my answer to that question. 35 chapters across 5 parts, technical depth and architectural governance, together, not in opposition. Available on Amazon, on Google Books, and at technologyarchitecture.com.